Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of Pandas Beginner to Master series. Till now if you haven't watched previous Pandas videos of our channel, first of all you watch those videos which are mentioned in the description box and then continue from this video. In this video we are going to learn how to convert column types like integer to string type to integer type. So this type of typecasting we are going to learn in this video. Before starting the video, what I want to tell you is only a few percent of you people have subscribed to our channel and most of you are watching these videos without subscribing our channel. As the subscriber count grows, YouTube will suggest our channel to more new people. Then our channel grows automatically. Then we get motivation to do more such interesting videos. So please subscribe to our channel. Now let us start the video. First of all, on your PC, search for PyCharm. Open PyCharm. If you don't have PyCharm installed on your computer, please watch the video mentioned in the description box how to install PyCharm and learn basics about PyCharm. So it is a code I have prepared to explain you. As you know, now we are going to learn typecasting the column data. So first of all, import pandas as PD. If you don't know how to install pandas library, here left side click on Python packages, search for pandas. And as I have installed, I don't find install button. So here you will find install button, click on it. Pandas will be installed. Then import pandas as PD. Import numpy as np. It is in dark color because we are not using this in our code. So you can ignore it. So on the line number 5, I am putting a breakpoint in order to stop the flow of execution at that line. I am creating a data frame using Excel file. This Excel file link is mentioned in the description box. You can download that Excel file. You can put that Excel file in the project destination folder. Now on the empty space, right click on the empty space, click on debug. So debugging will be started. So execution is paused at this line because we put a breakpoint here. Now here data frame is created. Under threads and variables section, you can find a df. Right side, click on view as data frame. So it is a data frame we have created using Excel file. So close it. Now we want to see the data types of each column. Then we will use df.info method. This info method will print the columns data types in the console. Click on console. See, our Excel file has 200 entries with indices 0 to 199. And these are all the columns. Like order data is a column name. There are 200 values in it. There are no null values and data type is datetime. It is a datetime format. So in this way, for example, quantity is in integer data type. So in this way, you can find the data type of each column. Okay. Now let us convert the data types. As you know, quantity, in order to check a single column data type, then you need to use df of that column name dot dtype. See, it is printed as int64. So quantity column is a integer format. So now let us convert this integer format quantity column into string format. So in order to convert the column data type, you need to select that column as df of quantity dot astype. In that astype, you need to mention str for string data type. In order to convert any data type into string, you need to place str in the brackets and it must be assigned to the same column df of quantity. Let's step over. Print the data type of the quantity. See, scroll down, you will find object. So pandas will print string data type as an object. So previously it was int64. Now the quantity column is changed its data type into object. You can view the data also. Click on view as data frame. See, quantity. In order to see, it will be looking like an integer, but its data type is string. We have seen object here, right, in the console. Okay. We can view in another approach also, like df.info. See, here where is the quantity? See, here is the quantity. The data type is object. So it is converted into string type. Okay. Till now we have seen how to convert a single column into another data type. Now let us see how to convert multiple columns into another data type. So in order to do so, first of all, you need to select df of list of column names. Like I want to convert quantity and unit price. So df of list of quantity comma unit price. Then after that dot astype. In that you need to enter a dictionary because dictionary will be in the format of key value pairs. Keys must be column names. Values must be like the destination data type. For example, you want to convert quantity into float. Actually it is in string format, right? Now we want to convert into float. So the value must be float. Key must be column name, which is quantity. So in this way, key value pairs you need to enter in a dictionary and that dictionary must be placed in the astype bracket and this conversion must be assigned to the same columns in the left side of the equal to. So let's assign it. Step over. Print the info. Scroll down. See, quantity is float. It is converted from string to float data type. Unit price is converted from, it was actually in integer format. It is not changed. So it is how you need to convert multiple column data types to another data types. Okay. We can do the same thing using different approach. What it is? Let us see. As I told you, right, key value pairs using keys as column names and values as destination type destination column type. So you can define a dictionary before assigning it to column types. Like you can predefine a dictionary and assign it to a variable, and you can use that dictionary variable in the as type. See, we are doing same thing in this line. Quantity, unit price, as type of bracket. In the bracket we are using the dictionary variable instead of the whole dictionary. I am using the variable. It also gives the same result. See, actually quantity was float, right? Now we are converting into int. Let us step over. Print df.info quantity. See, quantity is converted to int 64. So it is also a basic type of approach we can follow to change or convert data type of the column. Okay, are there any other approaches? Yes, you can define your own approach to convert data type of any column. So here I'm iterating over each column, and I want to check only float 64. I want to convert only float columns. So I want to check each and every column. If it is a float column, I will change its data type into integer. So I am writing a for loop for call in df.columns. df.columns will return index of list of columns. In order to see, open alt plus F8, open evaluate expression, enter df.columns. Click on evaluate. Here click on view. See, it will return index of list of column names. So df.columns. I am iterating over each column of the data frame, and here I will check call.dtype. If the column data type is float 64, I will proceed further. I am converting the column type into integer, else I am continuing. See, let us step over. See, product, category, quantity, unit price. See, unit price is at float 64, right? The unit price is float 64. That's why we have entered into the if section, and using try catch. See, df.call assigned with integer. So I'm placing a breakpoint at line number 28 in order to jump from the loop. So click on this resume program button, click on step over. See, scroll down on the console. You won't find any float 64 data type because all the float 64 are converted into int 64. So it is how you can manually convert any columns data type into your own or your desired column data type. Okay, what about any alternate approaches? Yes, we have one more alternate approach, which is to numeric, just to convert to numerical values. Let us see. Now let us print what is the data type of quantity. Scroll down. See, quantity is actually int 64. I want to convert into string because finally we want to use to numeric, right? So it must not be in a numeric first. So I am converting into string. See, I have converted into string. That is why it is object. Now here I am converting, selecting the df of quantity and using pd.toNumeric. This pandas.toNumeric will convert this column data type into numerical data type. Let us step over, print the data type. See, int 64. Actually it was int 64. For our convenience we have converted to string. We have used pd.toNumeric to convert into numerical. It is converted into int 64. So it is just using pd.toNumeric. Then what about the date and time format, datetime format? So we have another approach to convert any column into datetime format. So we have order date, right? What is that? What is its data type? See, it is actually in datetime. So let's convert it into string type. See, I am converting into string. Print again. See, it is converted into string. Now let us use pd.toDateTime to convert into datetime format. See, pd.toDateTime of df of a column. So it will convert the column data type into datetime format. Let's assign and let's print. See, string is converted into datetime format. So it is how. So these are all the different approaches to convert column data types. You can convert single column, multiple columns, or if you have any predefined or your own conversion type, you can convert as you want. You can use ChatGPT to learn more about the typecasting about the columns. So till now, if you find these videos are interesting, please hit the like button. Please share this video among your friends and your community WhatsApp groups. So till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and enable the bell icon. Then you will be notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you for watching.